What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another day in the vlog. For today's video, we are going to be sanding down the rest of the wood pieces on the car, and we are going to be painting them with the underbody spray. That's the truck paneling stuff. So we have a couple of them done, which we did the other day, which I'll show you guys real quick what the finished product is now that it's a couple days later. So this right here is flat black, which is not the enamel, but this is the underliner. And that's only one coat. We're gonna probably do another coat just to kind of cover up all the imperfections. First things first, let's take our nice sander and see what we can't mess up on this board. Now that we have all of that sanded down, we're gonna take some parts cleaner and spray it down. Now we wait for it to dry. While we wait for that side to dry, we're gonna do the back side just because it doesn't really matter as much. So the idea is that the last little bit is texture. So that looks pretty good. I know I didn't do the whole thing. That's because I'm gonna get another can and finish it up, and that'll do the other board that I need to sand down anyways. This is really cool. I'm just using the Duplicolor bed armor. So this is really nice. I should be able to just go right over this too and finish up this board and then sand down the other one and finish up that. But I'll show you what I mean. If I don't do this, see how there's kind of like a bumpy texture? On the other side, see how it just kind of looks like paint almost, like just really thick paint. So that's why you want to do that, to make sure that you get a texture on it. And that's also why I'm doing 2 layers, because that's where a whole bunch of walking is going to be, feet in and out, and you don't want that to scrape up. So doing that, and then everything should be good once we go get the other paint. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. As you guys can tell, they actually came out really nice. I was able to do it and it looks freaking phenomenal. Super stoked on that. So we're gonna put these away and we're gonna get ready basically to close up shop, because everything is a mess, a really big mess, and that is not good for me or for my parents. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up real quick.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.